Today's video is sponsored by CharBroil. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited for summer. I'm excited for the heat. I'm excited for the grilling, and I'm excited for summer entertaining. This Dollar Tree haul is going to be absolutely incredible. My name is Jamie. I'm the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, now whenever I'm talking about backyard entertaining or summer entertaining or especially grilling, the one thing that I hate the most are bugs. And I have to tell you, this is the coolest thing that I found at Dollar Tree. And what's so cool about this is it looks like it's an umbrella, but it's not an umbrella. It's actually a bug screen. And what's great about it is that it pops up a lot like an umbrella. It's in my favorite colors of blue and white. And what is great about it is the kind of span that you've got here. This is going to hold a really, really large platter and it's going to cover your food. And again, what's so great about this is that it is also something that you can very easily store because all you have to do is push that little piece back inside and you've got this small thing that you're going to be putting away. It's so easy. It's super, super convenient and it keeps the critters away, which is what I want whenever I am grilling outdoors and entertaining for the summer. Now, speaking of being outdoors and grilling and having a fun party or something, it always is great to have some sort of lighting concept or at least some fun lighting, and Dollar Tree makes this really, really easy. This is a paper lantern that I picked up at Dollar Tree. It was only $1.25, and what's so great about it is it does take batteries here. It takes 2 AA batteries, and as you can see, it has this great hook on the top of it. Now, I took my hook and just simply put it on the inside of my patio umbrella, and it created a very nice ambiance that I liked so much. I think it would also be really, really fun if you took these and maybe clipped them to the end of your umbrella. And imagine like having 8 or 10 of these all the way around your umbrella. That could create such a fun lighting concept for your party. Now, when we're talking about lighting concepts, also, there are some fun glass containers that you can get at Dollar Tree. And yes, you could very easily put a tea light candle or something like that. And how fun is that for summertime? However, there is something else that you can do with these that is even better. And that is taking a Dollar Tree solar light. Now, all I did was take the stick part off of this. And when you put this inside like this, you have got the cutest little lantern that you can brighten up your steps. You can brighten up your railings. You can brighten up your grilling area. You can do all kinds of great things with this. And it was only $1.25 once again. Now, the other thing that I really do like whenever I'm entertaining with friends is having a nice beverage of choice. Now, this is anything that you want. It could be water, it could be a cocktail, it could be a mocktail, it could literally be anything that you want. And if you take a fun container like this, imagine putting one of these at every place setting and creating their own kind of mega drink inside of here. What's so cool about this too is it has this great little spout on the front and it makes it really, really easy to kind of pour your own beverage of choice. You could have this just for yourself, or you could use something like this for the entire party. I think it would also be great to put some like strawberries and mint in some water and have this set up on your patio to be able to hydrate all of your guests and all of your friends that are going to be at your party. Now, the other thing I really do like to do whenever I'm entertaining with friends is set up something super, super fun. Now, for example, this Hawaiian hula skirt. This is actually from the children's section. But what's so great about this is the length, first of all. It's not going to be too tall or too overpowering. And for my kind of concept that I'm doing here, it goes really well with the color scheme. And you'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. So for this, I simply just took this and I literally used some double-sided tape and I put it on the edge of my patio table. And I love the way that this turned out. I'm so happy with it. And it really, really pops on those dishes that are on my place setting. Now, before we start talking about those dishes and the place settings and all the other great things that I have from Dollar Tree, I do want to tell you about my new grill, the CharBroil Edge electric grill. First thing you're probably thinking is this is a dinky electric grill like you'd have in your backyard. Well, no, this grill is actually really, really beautiful. It's also very substantial. It's modern. The design is very cutting edge. See what I did there? And it is changing the way that we are grilling in our own backyards. Now, whether you live in a suburban paradise or you live in an urban oasis, the Edge grill was literally designed to match your own style, your own space, and your own adventurous appetite. Now, literally with this grill, all you do is plug it in and you get prepared to taste grilling life. Like, CharBroil grills are designed to give everyone the tools and the confidence that they need to take their cookout to the next level. Now, CharBroil is constantly innovating technologies, and they are helping grillers at all skill levels make food that is tasty, that is juicy, and more enticing. This is not your dinky countertop electric grill. This is a grill that delivers power. Right off the bat, one of the things I liked the most about this grill was the digital temperature control. At the heart of the Edge grill system is this intuitive digital temperature control that makes it possible to dial in the temperature, and the grill maintains that temperature from start to finish. Electric efficiency. There's no gas, there's no charcoal, there's no compromises. From suburban paradise, maybe you live out in the country, or maybe you live in the city, all you have to do is plug this grill in, and you've got the convenience and the efficiency of the Edge electric grill without sacrificing any of the grilling experiences. And with this, you can literally push the heat on it to the edge. And what I mean by that is that it gives you a lot of variety within the temperature settings. You could start something really, really low at like 200 degrees, and maybe you've got some ribs or something that you want to cook all day long, low and slow. The Edge grill is going to allow you to do that. But on the flip side, if you wanted to sear something at an extremely high heat, maybe some scallops, and you just want to get a nice sear on them, you can turn that temperature up to as high as it can go, and you can get that quick sear, and your Edge grill is going to perform every time. And what's great about that is it's going to allow you to perform every time, because it is going to allow you to grill any way that you like. Now, the other thing that I really loved about this grill is that it heats with speed. And what I mean by that is there is a speedy preheat that makes it possible to jump into your grilling experience within less than 15 minutes. The moment I plugged mine in, I set it to the temperature I wanted, and within 15 minutes, I was grilling right away. Also, what's great about this grill is the clean with ease. It has this fantastic auto clean mode that literally takes care of any leftover residue with the push of a button. And what's so great about it is when it's done, it auto shuts off and powers down, so you don't even have to worry about it. The other thing I encourage you to do is check out charbroil.com/recipes. They literally have recipes for every single type of foodie out there. You can get everything from grilled chicken thighs with a honey ginger glaze to a grilled artichoke with a chipotle dipping sauce. They even have a recipe for a smoked and seared porterhouse. Can you imagine doing that on your grill? I am so excited. I've got an entire lineup of everything I want to cook for this summer, and I'm getting it all from charbroil.com/recipes. Now, if you're interested in checking out the CharBroil Edge electric grill, check out the links in my description box below. That will give you all kinds of information about this amazing, amazing grill. But now let's get back to that Dollar Tree haul, because I've got some entertaining to do. I fell in love with that I saw was this bright pink platter. This platter is huge. Now, can you imagine grilling and having something like this to put your beautiful steaks or your beautiful chicken or your wings or your shrimp kebabs or anything that you're going to be grilling? This platter is massive. It's going to hold a ton of things. And what I really liked about it is that there are lots of pieces that coordinate really, really well with it. Now, this pineapple and hibiscus pattern was so, so cute. I loved the bright pink rim, and I loved how well it coordinated with this. Now, you could set this on top of this and maybe have a salad, maybe some charred bread or something to go with it, and you have an amazing piece. Also, you can keep these separate, of course. Now, when you're talking about maybe having a larger party, you're gonna want some stuff like this. But if it's just a couple of people, like for my party tonight, I'm just having myself and a special guest over, you can grab some items that are much smaller. Now, when you look at these different designs, again, super, super cute. Love the bright pink, love how it coordinates with everything. The green is gonna pull out the green in that hula skirt that I showed you earlier, and the fun shaped platters. This looks like a boat that screams summertime to me. And remember that lighting that we showed at the very beginning, that glass blue lighting with the white fish? It goes with the boat. Everything starts to really create a very fun concept. Now, the other thing about these platters and things is that you can also get very matchy-matchy if you wanted to with some fun coordinating dishware, and these are so much fun. Now, this particular bowl has the pineapples again with the hibiscus. It's white on the inside, which really makes your food pop, which I appreciate and love so much. And then also this great plate that goes with it. You've got this great coordinating set. It's going to really, really highlight everything that is so beautiful on your patio and on your porch or on your deck or wherever you're using this. You could literally set up an indoor feast if you wanted to. After you've grilled everything outside, bring it inside and you've got this amazing setup that is so bright and so colorful. Now, the other thing that I think is super important, and I've had these and I've actually used these before. If you haven't seen these fun wooden utensils, you can get these at Dollar Tree. Check out the little pineapple. Now, they come in a set. You get 4 forks, you get 4 knives, and you get 4 spoons. I've obviously been using mine, and I've used them for previous barbecues and cookouts, but these are so cute. I had to share them with you. If you haven't seen these at Dollar Tree, definitely go out and get a set of them. And I mean, hello, pineapple and pineapple. How cute are these? And then the absolute last thing that I think is super important whenever you're setting a table for summer entertaining is having a placemat of some kind. Now, you've got this placemat. Think of this as your anchor, and then you've got your beautiful plate like this on top of it. Now, what I loved so much about this was that transition of that color blue and the pop that you're going to get with this. And then again, what is so fun about this is if you think about tropical, you think about summer entertaining, you think about the smells on the grill and all the wonderfulness that you get when you're entertaining for the summer. Think about blue water, blue ocean, blue lake, anything that you've got that is water related or ties in kind of water of some kind is a perfect way to do that. And again, you've got a great pop of color, which I appreciate so much. All right, you guys, believe it or not, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you enjoyed everything. If you are interested in checking out that CharBroil Edge grill, please check out the link below in my description box. That is the CharBroil Edge electric grill. It is phenomenal. It is beautiful, and it is changing the way we are grilling. All right, guys, take care, and I will chat with you later. Bye-bye.